Hey 3Commas community, my name's Jared and I'm a member of the customer support team here at 3Commas. Let's talk about some of the features 3Commas rolled out in June. We've got big news about grid bots, Binance, and more. So first up, Binance Fast API is a cure for pain. On June 22nd, Binance launched their Fast API, and it will allow you to automatically generate API keys to authenticate with platforms such as 3Commas. If you already have your Binance account connected, you'll need to set up Binance's Fast API one time, and after that, you'll be all set. There is one downside. When you connect the Binance Fast API, Binance is going to wipe your existing trade history. It will be stored in the admin panel, but it won't show up in the UI for tracking trading history. At this time, it's primarily beneficial to new users or people who are not that concerned about tracking all of their trading history. We are very pleased that Binance listened to their users and partners and implemented this enhancement though. We are hoping they're able to roll out a version that doesn't wipe your old trade history when you connect via Fast API. Sticking to news about Binance, you can now link your Binance Smart Chain wallets, such as Trust Wallet, to 3Commas for portfolio tracking. You can't trade with a linked wallet yet, but you can track the performance of whatever assets your wallet is holding. Big news for OKX traders, we've officially launched grid bots for the OKX exchange. 3Commas users can now use presets and all other grid bot features to earn profits from coins in sideways markets. Speaking of grid bots, we've pushed out some major upgrades in June. Lots of enhancements and bug fixes to talk about, so let's get right into them. When you first open a grid bot using the AI strategy, it will automatically configure the bot to meet the minimum standards of activity allowed by the exchange you're using it on. Order timing has been significantly improved to avoid rate limit API errors. In the setup workflow for creating a new grid, it will automatically decrease the amount of active orders if it is higher than the quantity of grids. This change will make it way more straightforward and easy to use the grid bots. On the grid bot chart, we've now included a waiting line that shows the calculated amount of bot usage. We've also cleaned up the performance of the grid bots on the KuCoin and OKX exchange to foster a better user experience overall. The grid bot market order page now handles 404 errors much better. We also fixed a bunch of issues that we were having with the grid bots. So we fixed some funky validation behavior when creating manual strategy on Binance Coin M accounts. We fixed an issue causing grid bots not to send notifications to Telegram or iOS/Android devices. And lastly, we did fix a bug where grid bots were listing a failed order due to insufficient funds as a finished order. Alright, we set you up for success. Now it's time to go set up your grids and start making some money off all these sideways coins. Moving on to DCA bots, their analytics just got better. 3Commas is always listening to our users so we can make the experience overall better. In June, we redesigned the DCA Bot Analytics chart to add additional statistics and ensure that our traders can access important information without having to hunt for it. Traders now have the ability to increase or decrease the time frame of the chart with a slider bar at the bottom. Whatever bots and filters you've selected will be affected accordingly on the display of these metrics. The new general statistics will show next to the profitability graph. These include the total profits, average daily profits, active deals, best pairs, and most profitable bot you're using. And there's even more. Based on requests from high volume traders, we've improved the deal start condition for the trading view indicator. We've added sell and strong sell rules to the long strategy, and the short strategy now includes buy and strong buy rules. You can also now combine buy and sell triggers in your custom signals. We have also added a new feature, converting DCA bot trades to Smarttrades. This new tool came from ongoing conversations we've been having with our highest volume traders. What it does is it lets you turn your DCA bot trades into Smarttrades. The main advantage is that it gives traders more flexibility and control of what's happening with individual trades that their DCA bot starts. Anyone can use this feature, but I should warn you that it was designed for very advanced users, so if you're not completely comfortable with it, I recommend starting small while you learn the ins and outs of how to leverage it to your advantage. This is how it would work. After executing a basic order and opening a position, this tool will automatically convert every new DCA bot trade to a smart trade. After the conversion, it cancels the DCA bot deal so only the smart trade deal remains. To activate it, toggle the auto convert to smart trade in your advanced settings section. It will only apply to new trades and existing trades will not be affected. And an important note, if the auto convert function is enabled for the DCA bot, then the max active deal setting will be equal to 0. That's going to be it for June. If you have any questions, hit us up on Discord or Telegram and one of our 3Commas support team members, such as myself, would be happy to help. See you all next time.